I'm KFK's Creative Home. Welcome back to Spring Floral Week here on my channel. I've been doing some designs, I entered some challenges, so don't forget to click the playlist below in my description box to see what other designs I've shared this week. Today I want to do a thrift flip. I don't know if you remember, and I'll share a link to this too, I thrifted these two floral, I guess I can call it a basket. It has that fence design going around it, and there's two of them. They were $2.99 and I think it was half price day, so two for $1.50. I'm gonna start by opening this and see what we've got. Surrounding me, let me share this with you too. I have some florals that I may be using today. I wanted to get a blue design, so I have these blue hydrangeas, and then I have, since they have some yellow in them, I have these yellow floral picks. I have this greenery. I'm not sure if the leaves are too big, but we'll see. I thrifted this and it came cemented into this brick here. They had it in a container, and I'm going to just clip off the pieces I need. I have my floral foam, of course my scissors. I have some ribbon because I may be adding some bow to the sides of these. And one is blue, hold it back, you might see better. Blue, and one is multicolored florals. I have some white pearl sprays. Don't know if I'm going to be using these, just some things I picked up out of my stash. A little bag of Easter eggs or bird eggs, and they are different colors too. And then I have some moss and wire cutters, and I think that's all I need. And behind me I have two of the arrangements I've done this week. This one is getting cut off a little bit, but the roses you can see. So again, don't forget to check out the playlist below. All right, let's get started. So I've opened this and this has seen better days. So I think I'm gonna pull out these blue ones. I can probably use them as filler. And everything else is going right in the trash. Okay, one more dump here. I'm looking them over, sorry, I'm looking them over trying to decide if I want to paint them. Because now that I've gotten them out, I can see they're a little off-white. So I've just grabbed some Lysol wipes and give them a quick wipe down. And I think we're gonna be good. All right, back to work. Do both of these at the same time. I have a pack of 3, and they're larger in size, so I'm going to cut them in half and just put one at each end. And then when I get some more, I'll put a few in the center. Adding these felt tabs to the bottom of the picket baskets will prevent them from scratching up the surface of my table. Something I would recommend if you have something that's wood or may have a rough edge at the bottom. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this foam and split it down the middle and put one piece in each basket. because they aren't quite long enough, I have a piece of white styrofoam that just came in a packet or something. I'm going to put them at the end of each one. Waste not, want not. All right, I had to go backwards because I discovered the foam was showing through the sides of my little picket fence. Hadn't thought about it. So I'm gonna wrap it in this cute little ribbon. Just like this. Just gonna let my glue gun get hot. Just do a quick wrap like that, put it back in here. Now I know that hot glue can melt the styrofoam, but thank goodness I only need a little bit and it didn't really do any damage to the foam. So I just put a few dabbles down, a few dribbles down, and used this little finger protector to wrap this ribbon around the styrofoam, or around the floral foam and that little end of styrofoam. Perfect. I don't know if you can see in there. All you see now is ribbon. And now it's time to add the flowers. In the center, I'm going to put one little hydrangea bush. And then to each side of that, well, sorry, first I'm adding a little bit of greenery around the edges as my filler, and to kind of hang over the sides a little bit. And after that, the next thing I'll do is add a little bit of another blue bush. I think it's azaleas, I'm not sure. I believe these are azalea bushes. So I'm going to add one of those to each end. And while I'm working on this, let me just ask that if you're enjoying the video, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my Spring Floral Week, if there's something you would like to see more of in the future. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others if you're really enjoying it. If you want to see more of Spring Week and upcoming spring decor, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified as I release new videos. So those little blue rosettes that were in the baskets originally, you can see I've added them to the sides around the edges. And now I'm going to put in two of these little yellow blossoms. They're really a pale yellow, but they are yellow. Put two of those blossoms on each side of the basket. So here you have it, my two florals in these little wicker, well, I keep calling them wicker, but this fence-like basket. And I think these will also be used outside in the cabana. I'm not sure yet, but because of the color, I think I need some blue out there. So I think I will be taking them outside. So I look forward to decorating out there in the coming weeks, and I hope that you have clicked the subscribe button and rang the bell so you'll be notified when I release new videos, and that way you'll see when I actually add this to my decor. All right, I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll be talking with you again real soon.